Hello, welcome to this video. In this video I am going to discuss about column function. Under the formulas tab, click on lookup and reference function library. Here we can find column function. Column function returns column number of a reference. We can derive column function in two ways, by providing the reference or not providing the reference. First I am going with providing reference is equal to column. This function consists of single functional argument which is named as reference. Here I am mentioning G5 which is an cell address. Click on OK. Here application returned output as 7. Let us try with one more example. Is equal to column. Here I am selecting a cell which is M3. Click on OK. Now application returned column number as 13. Now I am going to retrieve the column number without providing the reference. Is equal to column. Here I am closing the bracket without providing the reference. Drag the handle. Here we can find application return the output as 2, as all the selected cells represents to column B only. Drag the handle. Here we can find application return column numbers for all the selected columns. In this way we can retrieve the column numbers in Excel workbook. Hope this video is useful to everyone. Thanks for watching.